Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. In today's video, I'm come to show you just 15-minute vegetable soup, and it's very healthy and yummy. Let me show you the things you need. You need fresh potato. This is the first one I peel and I cut it. And any vegetables you have in your fridge, you can add to it. This is the cauliflower, mushroom, bell pepper, green beans, leek, and fresh tomatoes. Onions is among. So any vegetables you prefer to add it, you can add it to it. And then I want to get some meat inside, so that's why I add the sausage. And you can add chicken, you can add fish, anything you prefer to add it, you can add it. And I add the ginger and garlic paste. You add a little bit to it. And you add your salt for taste. Be careful with your salt. And this is the pepper we use in my country. It's very hot, eh? So this one, yeah, you see how I cut small. I cannot add all to it because just one like this, oh, you cannot eat. And then, and you add your shrimp Maggi. Yeah, you add it. You can leave it if you don't like. You can add only the salt and you leave it. And I add small vegetable bouillon. Add water. Yeah, it's just for 15 minutes and your soup is ready. You can drink it lunch or dinner. This one we use for our dinner. Yeah, and it's very healthy to make it. Simple recipe. You don't need anything to blend all this. Very simple, all in one pot. Yeah, set the fire to medium high temperature, and then you cover it and let it be boiled for 7 to 10 minutes. Yeah, you see how it looks, but your vegetable is supposed to wash it before you cut it. Yeah, after 10 minutes, open it and check if the potato is okay for you to eat. Then it's okay. The soup is ready to serve. Enjoy! Please follow all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.